In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Leledc Levels in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process will be exactly the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look towards the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, and it opens the full library of built-in and community scripts that TradingView offers. Go ahead and click that button to bring up the Indicators window. When the Indicators window appears, you'll see a list of popular tools and some categories. But instead of scrolling through all of that, we're going to jump straight to what we need. At the very top of that window, you'll see a search box. This is your main shortcut whenever you're looking for a specific indicator. Click inside that search box so your cursor is active and you're ready to type. Now, in the search box, type Leledc Levels. Be sure to type it carefully so TradingView can find the correct script. As you type, TradingView will start filtering results in real time. You should see Leledc Levels appear in the drop-down list below the search bar. Depending on the version available, it may be listed under Community Scripts or Indicators. Just look for the name that clearly says Leledc Levels. Once you see Leledc Levels in the results, click on it once. The moment you click, TradingView will automatically add the indicator to your current chart. You should notice new horizontal levels or lines drawn on your chart. Depending on how the script is designed, these are your Leledc levels. And from here, you can customize them just like any other indicator. If you'd like to tweak the settings, hover over the indicator name at the top left of your chart, then click the settings icon next to it. This will open a panel where you can adjust colors, styles, and any inputs the creator has provided. Take a moment to explore those options so the levels are easy for you to read and fit well with the rest of your chart layout. Finally, if you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced features, better alerts, and an overall smoother experience, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it ensures you're on the right page to upgrade to TradingView Pro.